If you're choosing between KeePass and VaultWarden, this isn't just password manager versus password manager. It's offline security versus self-hosted convenience. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. KeePass is built around a simple idea. Your password database stays completely under your control. It's lightweight, open source, and stores everything locally in an encrypted file, meaning there's no cloud dependency at all. That makes it extremely secure and privacy-friendly, especially for people who don't trust online services. But here's the catch. Syncing across devices is manual unless you set up your own cloud workflow, and the interface feels outdated compared to modern password managers. VaultWarden takes a different approach. It's a lightweight self-hosted implementation of Bitwarden Server API, giving you the modern Bitwarden experience while keeping control of your own server. You get browser extensions, autofill, mobile sync, sharing, and cross-device convenience, without relying on Bitwarden's hosted cloud. The downside is setup and maintenance. You need to manage a server, updates, backups, and security yourself. So the real difference is this. KeePass prioritizes offline security and simplicity, while VaultWarden prioritizes modern convenience with self-hosted control. So, which password manager is better? Choose KeePass if you want maximum offline security with zero cloud dependency. Choose VaultWarden if you want modern password management with syncing, autofill, and self-hosted privacy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.